Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadaf Naseem and I am maths teacher of level 5. Well, my dear student, this is my 7th lesson about unit number 2. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the LCM by prime factorization method. The very first method of your LCM to find the LCM, that is prime factorization method. Now today we are going to do the method of division method. So the topic is LCM by division method. Let's recall our point, that is L stand for smallest, C stand for common one, M stand for multiple. So I'm going to start division method by following the steps. I'm going to divide all these steps in a numbers. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to follow the step when you are going to solve the sum of division method. When you follow the step, your answer will be totally correct. So let's start. The very first step of your division method, that is take combine LCM of the numbers. In the prime factorization you have to take the separate LCM, but in division method you have to take the combined LCM of the numbers. So step number 2 is write prime numbers. Then if you find the LCM, then write the prime numbers of the vectors over here in a line. So the next step number 3 is multiply the prime numbers. If when you get the prime numbers, then you have to multiply. Step number 4, LCM. When you multiply the prime numbers, you will get the answer, that is LCM. So I'm going to apply all these steps in our question number 2, exercise 2.2, which is present in your book page number 36, question number 2, and I'm going to find the LCM by division method. I'm going to apply all these steps in our question number 2, part number 1, and the numbers are 16, 24, 30. As according to the step number 1, you have to take the combined LCM of the numbers. So 16, 24, 30. So first check the smallest table if the numbers are divisible, if any. So you have to choose the smallest one, that is 2. 2 8 times 16, 2 12 times 24, and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 15 times 30. So 2 4s are 8, 8 and 12 is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 15 is not divisible by 2. So 15 will as it is over here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 15 as it is, because 15 is not divisible by 2. Let's see. Now 2, 3 and 15. 2 is divisible by 2. You have to take the 2, the smallest table. 2 1s are 2. Leave 3 and 15 as it is, because 3 and 15 are not divisible by 2. Then after the 2, the table is 3. 3 is here, so you have to take the table of 3 over here. 3 1s are 3, and in the table of 3 you will find 15. 5 times 15. So if you get 1 1, then stop the division, but here you have a 5, so you have to take the table of 5 to divide 5. 5 1 times 5, then all the number having 1. So your prime factorization is complete. So come to the next step, that is step number 2. You have to write the prime numbers over here in a line. So I'm going to write 1 2 3 4 times 2, 3 multiply with 5, 1 times 3 and 5. Let's check out. Yes, 4 times 2 over here. Look at the slide. These 2 are, and this 3 and this 5. I'm going to write in a line, and for 2 and 2 I'm going to make the pairs of the numbers just to multiply. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 times 4, 3 5 times 15, 4 4 is 16, 15 over here. Then you have to multiply 16 with 15, you will get 240. Don't forget to put the equal to sign in the start of your line. So at the end, step number 4, you will get LCM, and the LCM is 240. This is your answer. Now my dear student, time to do the homework. What you have to do, you have to ready the page very neatly. Draw a margin line, write the date, homework, maths, and what you have to do? You have to do the question number 2, part number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Part number 1 is done in the slide in CW copy neatly from book page number 36, but don't forget to learn tables of 6, 7, and 8. Now my dear students, time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.